like in under a bit, and then pushing into the wall with your arms, just taking your arms up and down. So you're sort of engaging now. Push the arms into the wall. So the arms are always pushed into the wall as you come up.
Your arms will touch to the wall.
But like you're pushing as you lift and pushing as you lift. And this will engage the muscles of the scapula to keep them on.
Even around the body there is difference.
Yeah.
Push, 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 push. And then push, 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 push.
Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
So can you feel these kind of
Muscles.
One more time.
There is difference.
Yeah.
There is difference.
Push, Lucia, push, push,
To the
push.
wall.
Well,
Very
you can see
good.
it's getting right here, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, now.